This video has been produced by Finnish Workers' Compensation Center. The data presented here are based on the Fatal Accidents at Work theme study by the Safety Investigation Authority. In 2023, there were 23 fatal accidents at work in Finland. All of them happened to men with an average age of 49 years. The most common cause of injuries was getting trapped under a heavy load. Most of the injured were working on their own. Almost half of these accidents occurred in agriculture and forestry. Shortcomings were found in occupational safety, particularly in risk assessment and general occupational safety skills among entrepreneurs and small businesses. In many cases, the streamlining of work led to a lack of safety at work and to risky practices. In large companies, shortcomings were found in the coordination of work and the communication of information to those affected by either the work or the risk of hazard. Let us take a look at some of these tragic accidents. Workers were in a van inspecting a log conveyor when the loader, after braking suddenly, tipped over onto the van. One worker died, and the other suffered minor injuries. Safety deficiencies such as poor visibility, overloading, and poor communication contributed to the accident. A young summer employee was working alone on a log splitter with inadequate safety equipment. He got entangled on the spinning roller wheel of the log table and squeezed between its moving parts. The most significant safety deficiencies were related to risk assessment, work orientation, and bypassing controls. The case highlights the importance of raising safety awareness in small businesses, especially when hiring their first employees. A driver was using a shovel to remove frozen packs of crushed stone from inside a gritter that was still running. His clothes got stuck on the mixer shaft and he was pinned between the moving parts of the machine. A common practice was to operate the machine without the protective grating, contrary to the manufacturer's instructions, and to remove blockages with a shovel while the machine was still running. Follow the manufacturer's instructions and assess the risks. Do not streamline work at the expense of safety. Let's make work safe together. This video was produced by Finnish Workers' Compensation Center.